Welcome back to Sander channel. What are we doing today, Sander?
Opening FizzyGloop.
Okay, it's like Confetti FizzyGloop. So we're gonna make it and see how it looks. It says make your own Confetti FizzyGloop. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Mommy's gonna help you because this is for ages +6. But Mommy will help you to do it, okay, Sander? You wanna have fun?
Yeah. You have the spoon and I'll have this.
Okay. Okay. 1 second. Okay, let's see what is in there. Let's put it right here. Yeah, for Mommy. Okay, let's see. Now open the bag. Okay, this is what it comes with sodium, FizzyGloop mix, baking soda, and then it comes with this too. And then we have the instructions here.
Mama,
Okay.
why you have this here?
So this mixes to make the FizzyGloop. So okay, Mommy's gonna put everything and then we'll see how it looks, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, yeah, but why it says dangerous here?
Oh, it's because you cannot eat it. It's not food not to eat. And you cannot touch it, okay? Mommy's gonna help you. It's dangerous. Yes, okay?
I won't touch it.
Now this Mommy's doing because it says not for kids. So I'm gonna put the sodium. Not for kids to touch. Oh, wait, Alexander, okay? Wait a minute.
Okay, to mix it.
You will make when Mommy tell you that it's okay to mix, okay? So okay, so
What?
say
You have the red spoon, I have 2 spoons.
sodium. Now I am gonna add the FizzyGloop mix. Add the baking soda. Look at what's happening. You see? It's thirsty because of the baking soda.
Yeah.
Wait. Sparkles. Kind of like hard. Looks kind of hard. So I'm gonna add the sparkle just to see how it looks. Yeah, add them all.
Add on the water too.
Okay. Okay. Very glittery. Okay, so Mommy's gonna mix it.
Oh, not better, Mama.
So let's see.
It looks cool in the water.
Okay. This one.
How it's gonna look like that?
You like it?
No.
But it doesn't look like a slime. Actually, it's very hard. And I've been like massaging and doesn't really become like a slime. So like FizzyGloop, I don't know, it's too hard. Maybe because I mix a lot of stuff, so this is what it looks like. Look at that.
Tomorrow we should buy it again and do it again.
Do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. This is what it looks like.
It's no good.
Oh no, it's not breaking, it's not becoming slimy. No. Okay. Let's see, Sander. So now you're gonna show us your dinosaur, yeah? Okay, give me one of these. Roaring Rex from Adventure Force. Push Rex back for effect. Roaring Rex. Okay, let's get it out. Let's see, Sander. Get him out. Okay. Did he make sounds? Let me see. Wow, look at those teeth. Look. Let me see. He's gonna get Sander. Look, he's getting you.
No, Ma, no. She's down there and look who's me. This.
Okay.
No, don't do it like that.
Oh, let's see his teeth. You see? You see his teeth in the camera. Come on. Look at here. Come on with mommy. Look. Come on, look what I'm going to show you in the camera. Come on this way. Look. Come on with mommy. Look at this. Come on this way. See? You can see him. He's gonna come. Look. Bye-bye, friends.
Bye-bye, friends.
Please don't forget to
Hit the bell and ride on the dinosaur. And give us thumbs up and hit the bell. Ding!
bye.
Bye! Oh, she
Make
baby.
him roar. Make him roar. No, here, with mommy hit the camera.
Bye-bye. See you next time.